You're welcome back, my superstars. Today we'll be talking about 10 agribusiness ideas to start now. We're talking about very profitable agricultural business ideas that are very lucrative, very profitable, and it makes me wonder why people have not started this agricultural business ideas. The ones I'm about to mention right now, they are not saturated, have very few people, and you know what? Right now, the businesses that tend to make money right now are mostly food related kind of businesses because food is very, very essential. Okay, so this business ideas I'm about to share with you is very, very profitable and lucrative. And by the end of this video, you should be able to catch one or two which will enable you start and make money. All right, I'll be starting from number 10 to number 1. Okay, so watch till the end of this video because every idea is crucial. But before we do Amida Sitting Young, I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. Talk about side hustles, passive income, different businesses you can do to make money. So if that's what you love, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. All right, let's dive in. The first agribusiness idea is mushroom farming. Mushroom is a very high proteinous food that people love. Okay, my mom used to tell me that some time ago it was their only source of protein. It was able to sustain them. They ate mushrooms and they were very, very healthy. So mushroom is very, very healthy source of protein. It contains iron, selenium, potassium. It's high in fiber and it's very proteinous. So, and it's also very easy to cultivate. You don't need a large farmland or a vast land. You can use just a small area and cultivate your mushrooms and make money. Apart from that, mushroom is also used for medicinal production, so it has a very high market value. Okay, and it can be cultivated under controlled conditions. So it makes me wonder, why are people not cultivating mushrooms? Mushrooms are easy to cultivate and it has a very high market value. People love mushroom. As at now, my mom keeps buying mushrooms to eat because it has no fat content, so it's very healthy for elderly people. It's perfect for people who are on a diet. So my superstars, go and carry out your research and start mushroom farming to make money. Number 9 on my list is turkey rearing. Ooh, turkey is a very nice proteinous meat that so many people love. I know so many people that say they don't like chicken because chicken, the meat is soft, the meat is very tender, but they love turkey because it's fatty, the meat is strong and all that. They will pay for anything to get turkey. Okay, so turkey is a very, very nice meat that so many people love. I know that in Lagos, so many people tend to buy lots of turkey and you use it to cook stew and all that. So people love turkey. A live turkey goes for about 40,000 naira, 50,000 naira. So it is very, very expensive. So it makes me wonder, my superstars, why are people not thinking of rearing turkey? One turkey goes for about 40 to 50,000 naira. Okay, and a chicken goes for about 8 to 10,000 naira, or at most 12,000 naira, 15,000 naira, depending on how big it is. But a turkey can go for as high as 40,000 naira. So why are people not thinking of rearing turkey? And you know what? It's not even difficult. In one of my visits to Lagos, a friend told me that he buys turkey, the young turkeys, and then mixes them with chicken and gives it to someone to rear it for them, not in any special condition, just leaves the chicken and turkey to move around together and then eat around, and then once in a while supplement with food and all that. And before you know it, in few months, those turkey have grown so big and it's ready for consumption. One turkey can be sold for as high as 40,000 naira. So what are you waiting for? Start rearing turkey today and let me know how it goes. Number 8 on the list is cereal and grain storage. Okay, so we have so many cereals and grains in Nigeria that so many people are consuming. We have maize, we have rice, we have beans, we have soya beans, we have so many grains and cereals that people are consuming. And over a period of time, so many people are making money from food storage, from grain storage. Okay, so many people bought egusi, beans, rice at low rates and stored them. And right now they are cashing out. I've done so many videos on how to store different grains on this channel. I'll leave the links in the description box. I've done videos on how to store beans, on how to store melon, and also known as egusi, how to store groundnut, how to store uh, different grains. I'll leave the link in the description box. Go and check them out and store a grain this year. If you can't store this year, next year you store. I think right now we have groundnut storage and the corn storage. Okay, so go carry out your research, watch the videos in the link description box, and then swing into action. Next on the list is fish farming. Fish is a very highly consumed food product in Nigeria right now. Fish is high in protein, and right now so many people are becoming health conscious. As such, they are consuming mostly protein. That's fish, chicken, and less of red meat. Okay, so fish farming is very, very lucrative, and it's also very easy to rare fishes. You can sell your fish in the roasted form, in the dry form, or in the fresh form and still make lots of money. You can also use a pond that's close to you to rear your fish under controlled environment and have a fish that is as delicious as a seawater fish. And also you can also use other materials to rear your fish, and then you can dry it and export it. Yes, you can dry your red fish and export it when it's of good size. All right, so this is another good way to make money. Next on the list is vegetable farming. Yes, so many people right now are becoming very, very health conscious. As such, they are going for consumption of fruits and vegetables. So vegetables like ugu. Okay, this year I can't even see ugu to buy. Can you imagine? This year the least I have bought a bunch of ugu is 500 naira, or I think 300 naira. A sizable bunch of ugu is 300 naira, 500, which has never been before. A seller told me that people are becoming health conscious and are consuming more of vegetables. That's why vegetables are very expensive now. So have you thought of starting a vegetable farming business? Plant your vegetables, pepper, vegetables, ugu, okra, all those things do not take very long period of time to germinate and produce fruits. Okay, we have 6 weeks okra. In 6 weeks you can start harvesting it to sell. Okay, we have your ugu. In few weeks you can start harvesting it to sell. Water leaf, all those things are very great way you can make money. Number 4 on the list is poultry. Okay, so right now, all what we tend to consume a lot is poultry. That's chicken. Chicken can be consumed in 2 ways. You can eat chicken, the eggs or the meat. Okay, either one which you choose. Do you choose to rear broilers, that is for the meat, or do you choose to rear layers for the eggs? Either one, it is very, very profitable. Right now the crate of eggs goes for about 6,000 to almost 7,000 naira. Okay, so it's very profitable, and a sizable chicken right now goes for almost from 6,000 naira to 10,000 naira to 12,000 naira, depending on the size. So right now poultry farming is a very, very lucrative business, which if you start, no matter the small area you start, you will make money. Number 5 on the list is snail farming. Yes, snail farming is very, very lucrative. And you know what, my superstars, it is very easy to raise snails. You can rear your snails at home and sell it and make money. Snail has a very high market value. It can be exported and then you earn in foreign currency. And the great thing is that you don't need very expensive things to rear your snail. You give them use eating fruits from the house. You can give them vegetables and things that are very, very affordable. So would you be wearing a snail today? Okay, snail has a very high market value and you can sell it in no time and make money. Number 3 on the list is goat farming. Goat farming. My superstars, why are people not rearing goats? Do you know goat farming is one of the easiest things to do? If you have a male and a female goat and leave it for a while, in few months you have so many goats that will give birth and bring about so many goats, okay? And then they keep multiplying and multiplying. So you may not necessarily need to do it yourself. You could buy a male and a female goat and give it to a relative in the village to start rearing goats for you. And before you know it, you have about 10 goats, okay? They increase a lot and they don't need so much to eat. They could eat grasses, okay? In very rare occasions, you may need to buy feed and give it, okay? You can also decide to go into commercial goat rearing, as in you get a place and all you do is rear goats. You buy one male and female and keep them, and before you know it, you have lots and lots of goats, and then you sell it. A sizable goat right now goes for about 50,000 naira, okay? And you don't need to spend much on food. You can give it grasses, cut grasses, feed it. You can give it, buy very few feed, so it is not capital intensive to rear a goat. So what are you thinking? What are you waiting for, my superstars? All right, will you be trying it? Please write it in the comment section. In the meantime, have you liked this video, my superstars? All I ask is for you to like this video and share it so that people who need this knowledge as well can get to see it. Okay, my superstars, thank you. Let's continue. Number 2 on the list is fruit farming. Having an orchard is another great way to make money. Right now, so many people are becoming very health conscious and are consuming more of fruits and vegetables. So fruit business right now is very, very lucrative. Oranges right now are expensive. Pineapple, mangoes, all fruits right now are very, very expensive because people have come to realize the health importance of fruits. I remember when I was a child, where we lived at Calabar in Cross River State, there was an orchard. It was beautiful, lots of fruits, and you hear birds whistling and all that. Lots of fruits everywhere to eat. But right now, we have very few people with orchards. Only in Ogun State in Nigeria do we have a well-known orchard that produces fruits for fruit juice and concentrates, which can be exported to other countries. So what are you waiting for? If you have a vast land in your state, in your local government area, please go and cultivate an orchard and make money. It's easy to maintain and all that is not expensive. So will you be trying it? Write it in the comment section. And number 1 on the list is palm oil storage business, the Odogu, okay? All right, so many people who stored palm oil this year can attest to the fact that palm oil business is very, very profitable. For those who are buying and selling, reselling, they are making money. For those who stored, they are making money. So palm oil storage business is very, very lucrative. I've done loads and loads of videos on how to start palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll leave the links in the description box, the playlist, so you can watch them at your spare time. And then, okay, so which of these business ideas, agribusiness ideas, would you be trying out? Write it in the comment section. Or which one have you tried already? Is it lucrative? Is it profitable? Please write it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars. And if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. And have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button and share this video. Thank you. There are lots of profitable businesses I've shared on this channel you can do to make money. For more information, click the video on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.